This is Watson. This is called the Tuner Pro by Resimax, and Watson just loves it. How's that feel, sweetheart, huh? What kind of problems was he having?
He was having spasms where his neck would twist to the left and his back would be arched and he would cry in pain.
And how's he doing now?
He's doing much, much better.
Excellent. How's that, sweetheart? You like that, don't you? Yeah. As we work all of his spinal muscles.
In fact, it's been a week since he had any of those episodes.
Good. How's that feel, sweetheart? You're an awful good boy. These are his psoas muscles, and we like to get in and loosen those up, because that's what pulls his back end out of alignment. Where are you going? I'm not done yet. Come here.
Come here, you gotta come back.
Come here, we gotta finish up here. That's a good boy. Let's get this side.
Did you get that on film? Have to edit it.
Every once in a while he just takes off. How's that, sweetheart? That good? Let's get your sacrum and your hip joints. That's good. Come here. Let's get the other side right there. That's a good boy. There we go. How does that feel? Is that good? Huh? You're an awful good boy. That's good. Okay. Let me stretch out your tail. That's it. Where are you going? Hold still. Hold still. That's it. Right there. There's a crunchy, huh? Yeah. And how's your hip? Yeah. Stretch. Let's get this side. Okay. Stretch this one. That's good. Okay. Oh, you're such a good boy. Oh, come here. Let me get your shoulder. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Huh? Let me get your shoulder here. Hold still. Hold still for just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Let me get this one. Okay. Okay. All right. There you go. All right. Now. Now we use what's called the spinal accelerometer.
Watson, come here.
Come here, Waddy. Come here, sweetheart. We're almost done. Okay. Just hold still for me, sweetheart. Then we come right in here and we just adjust right there. Hold still. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Over here by mommy. Over here by mommy.
There you go.
There we go.
That first one usually gets him.
Yeah. Now we'll get this side on the atlas right there. Not so much there. And we go here. And we're We're looking for a little contraction in the muscles. You can see how his hip jerks a little bit when we hit the spots. And there. Okay, Waddy, you're all set. You can push the button now.